go on a reading adventure today with our ocean animal friends and letter sounds too. Where should we go? What should we see? Do you want to go on an adventure with me? Amazing! To unlock our adventure today, let's clap the syllables in our magic word. Aquatic. Aquatic is anything that has to do with water. And our ocean animal friends definitely live in water. So they live in an aquatic habitat. Aquatic habitat. That's amazing. Let's unlock our adventure today by clapping the syllables in our magic word. Aquatic. Aquatic. Let's tap it. Aquatic. Now, let's go ahead and count the syllables on our chin. Aquatic. There are 3 syllables inside our word aquatic. Syllables are the chunks in the word. They help us learn to read. Our adventure today is the ocean. It is a special aquatic habitat. There are so many things to see in the ocean. The ocean is special because it is very salty. The animal life that lives there in the ocean need the salt in the water to survive. That makes them different from aquatic animals that live in places like lakes. There are many levels in the ocean, and each level has special animals that live only in that level of the ocean. They have their needs met in that level of the ocean. Some animals must live in the deepest part of the ocean, where it is very dark and cold. And some animals must live close to the surface, and some even come up to the air, like whales and dolphins. And there are animals that live everywhere in between. Did you know that the ocean is home to some of Earth's smallest animals? They are minuscule. That's impressive. Slippery fish, sliding through the water. Slippery fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no! It's been eaten by an octopus, wiggling in the water. Octopus, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no! It's been eaten by a tuna fish, splashing in the water. Tuna fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by a great white shark, lurking in the water. Great white shark, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by a humongous whale, spouting in the water. Humongous whale, gulp, gulp, gulp. Pardon me. That is so silly bananas. Let's go see some aquatic animals that live in the ocean. Come swim with me down in the sea. That's where I've always wanted to be. And when we go, guess what we'll see? It starts with shh and rhymes with hark. We'll see a shark. Those are rhyming words. Come with me down in the sea. That's where I've always want it to be. And when we go, guess what we'll see? It starts with B and rhymes with goat. We might see a boat. Goat, boat. Those are rhyming words. Can you guess my rhyming animal? I live in the ocean and I like to crawl, like to crawl, like to crawl. I live in the ocean and I like to crawl. My name rhymes with lab. What likes to crawl in the ocean and rhymes with lab? Lab crab. Lab crab. Those are rhyming words. I live in the ocean and I like to swim. I love to swim. I love to swim. I live in the ocean and I like to swim. My name rhymes with wish. What lives in the ocean that rhymes with wish? Let's think. Wish, fish. Wish, fish. Those are rhyming words. I live in the ocean and I like to bite, like to bite, like to bite. I live in the ocean and I can bite. My name rhymes with hark. What lives in the ocean and can bite? That rhymes with bark. Bark. Shark. Yes, sharks can bite and they live in the ocean. Hark, shark. Those are rhyming words. What things should we bring to the ocean? I'm going to see which of my magic miniatures I can take in my sand buckets to the ocean. But I will only bring magic miniatures that begin with S. Let's listen to some beginning sounds. In my bucket that I carry to the beach, I put a starfish and a seashell and a sandwich I can eat. It's easy to get hungry at the beach. If I want to add some more things, tell me what should I bring? I can only carry items with the first sound S. All right, what are some more things that I can bring in my beach buckets to the beach that start with the S? I know that the S goes with the letter S. Let's take a look at some magic miniatures and see which ones I can put into the S bucket. Let's go. All right, my first magic miniature is a seahorse. Can I take this seahorse to the beach? Yes, I'm going to take the seahorse to the beach because seahorse starts with S. Thumbs up. In he goes to the S bucket. All right, let's try another one. Yogurt. Am I going to take a yogurt to the beach? Well, maybe I could, but today I can only take things that begin with S. And I hear a y at the beginning of yogurt, so I am not going to take yogurt to the beach today. Let's try another one. My next magic miniature is sun. Am I going to be able to put sun inside my S beach bucket? Let's listen. What do you hear at the beginning of sun? Yes, is the sound that goes with the letter S. So I can definitely put sun inside the bucket. Great work. In my next bucket, I will only carry things to the beach that start with a P. In my bucket that I carry to the beach, I put a penny and a paper and a pickle to eat. If I want to add some more things, tell me what else should I bring? I can only carry items with the first sound P. What are some things that I can take to the beach that start with the p, p, p. Let's take a look at my magic miniatures and see what I'm going to bring to the beach in the pee bucket. All right, let's take a look. My first magic miniature is a pizza. What do you hear at the beginning of p, p, pizza? Do you hear the p, p, p? Me too, and I know that's the sound that goes with the letter P. So I can put that in the bucket for the P words. Very good. All right, let's take another look. Apple. Do you hear a P at the beginning of apple? Thumbs down. I do not hear a P, P, P at the beginning of apple. So I cannot put that in the bucket that's going to the beach today. Let's try one more. I'm looking at my next magic miniature. I have some paint. What do you hear at the beginning of p, p, paint? Do you hear the p, p, p sound? Thumbs up, me too. I know that p is the sound that goes with the letter P, so I can definitely put the paint inside the bucket that's going to the beach today with the P words. Great work listening to beginning sounds. Let's play a game about things big and small. A whale is gigantic. That means that the whale is very, very big. And a sea snail is tiny. That means the sea snail is really, really small. They are opposite because they are very, very different. Let's sing and sort some gigantic and tiny items that are opposites. I brought along some magic miniatures, and some are things that are very, very big, and some are things that are very, very small. I brought an acorn. An acorn grows on a tree. Is an acorn huge and big like a whale, or is the acorn teeny tiny like a sea snail? The acorn is tiny like the sea snail. It is the opposite of the whale. Let's go ahead and sing the acorn into the sea snail bucket. Acorn is small, small, small. Acorn is small. Into the bucket. Thumbs up. Very good. All right, let's try another one. My next one is a jack. A jack is something you use to play the game of jacks. And if you've never played it, it's a great thing to learn. But today we're going to see if the jack is very gigantic like a whale or teeny tiny like the sea snail. Let's see. A jack is about the size of a sea snail. So we're going to go ahead and put that in the sea snail bucket. All right, my last magic miniature is an elephant. Is an elephant teeny tiny like a sea snail? Or is the elephant gigantic and big like the whale? An elephant is really, really big and gigantic. So that means that the elephant is going to go in the bucket with the whale because he is very big like the whale. That means they are the same in their size, but opposite of the snail. Great work.